In this video tutorial, I will show you how to read the CSV file in Python as Pandas data frame. So, I am going to start Jupyter Notebook. So, in this directory, I have a file called context.csv, and the content of this file is this. So, I am going to read this CSV file into Pandas data frame. So, first of all, I need to create a new notebook. I will select this kernel and I am going to rename this to read CSV in Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. Then next, I will use this Pandas PD object to read the CSV file. Read CSV is a method which is used to read the CSV file into the Pandas data frame. So, inside this I will provide the CSV file name and then run the code. So, it is loaded the CSV file as Pandas data frame. Now, I am going to print df dot print df and run this shell. So, this is now printing the content of this data frame. There is a method toString with on the Pandas data frame. Now, we can also print the data frame using the data frame dot to string method. So, after this we are getting this data into the. So, this toString is returning the as formatted text. So, we can also use the df.toString to print the data frame content. So, df.count is providing the count of each column. Today we learned how to read the CSV file into Pandas data frame using the pd.readCSV. This method reads the CSV file into the Pandas data frame. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials.